Okay, so you've put the trend report scanner onto your chart and it looks something like this. Okay, so we're going to just quickly fix this. All you're going to want to do is right click anywhere on the chart, go to Expert Advisors and click Remove. Okay, and then we're just going to simply drag and drop back onto the chart. Down below you're going to see a panel width and a panel height. All you're going to want to do is increase your panel width, and you can increase it to 90. And if that's not enough, then just do increments of 5, 95, or 100. Okay. Hit OK. And you're going to see on mine, the default 78 was worked out perfect. But for other people's computer resolutions, it's not going to be wide enough. So that's why we're increasing the width of the panel. You can see the white space here. So now you should have all the buttons, and it should look just like this here on your charts. Okay, I'm going to go back to how mine should look. Hit OK. And once you've got it looking like this and everything is nice, you can go back in, right click, Expert Advisors, Properties, and just save the settings as Panel Settings, Scanner. Okay, save that. And this way, anytime you come back on and this is removed, you can simply load up the panel settings that you've adjusted already to, hit OK, and you're good to go with the trend report scanner. All right, we will talk to you guys in the next video.